How to customize the header and Dawn theme with your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. This is going to be quick and easy, and I will show you exactly the steps that you need to access the customization for your header in your Dawn theme. So very simply, just go ahead and open up your Shopify dashboard, your admin dashboard, and then from here you would want to go to online store, go to themes, and obviously make sure that you have your Dawn theme ready to go. Go ahead and click on the customize button here right next to it, and then from here we can just go ahead and start customizing our header. So in the header we have the sections option here, and the section header is available to us, so we can actually adjust two things for the time being. We can adjust the announcement bar, which is this one right here, and we can also adjust the header, which is basically the menu, navigation, and so on. So we can start with the announcement bar. So it's because it's actually very simple. We can either remove it, we can just simply hide it if you don't want to have an announcement bar. We can simply just go ahead and change the text for it by just clicking on the arrow right next to it, and then from here you will find the welcome to our store, the default one, and you can just feel free to give it a different text. So let's just type in different text. It's just an example anyway, so yeah. And if you wanted to actually link it to a specific product or something, you can just feel free to do so from here. So let's say you actually wanted to use this announcement as a discount. You can just link it to a specific product, but I'm not going to link it to anything right now. So we changed the text for it. Now, how do we actually change what's in the header? We can simply click on the arrow next to the header, and we can add stuff in blocks. But if we click on the actual header itself, we can actually do more stuff like add a logo and more stuff here as well. So the first thing is going to be the navigation. Now, what you need to understand within the navigation, if you want to edit the navigation, it's not going to be from this section. To edit the navigation, what we would want to do is go to our Shopify dashboard again back here. Click on the online store, click on navigation, and then from here we would want to set up our main menu. And in here we can set up our navigation. We can make it a drop down by dragging and dropping the specific item down here. And if you want to add a new page, we can just simply give it a name, blog for example, and I'm just going to go to pages. Actually, let's just go to blogs, news, and let's just add this to the navigation and save menu. And now if we just go back to our editor here and restart, or refresh I should say, it's going to actually just give it a little bit of time here. We can see now that the navigation changed. We have a drop down menu, and we also have this new page. Now what else can we actually change? What about the logo? So to add the logo to the header, we would want to go to theme settings, and we can just click on logo here, select image, and then we would want to add image and just add your logo. This is not really our logo, I'm just going to use it as an example here. So just go ahead and select it and click on done, and it should be right here, and you can make it bigger or smaller from this section here. And you can also feel free to, if we go back to the header here, we can actually change the colors for it within the scheme. So we can actually change it to scheme 3, for example, or scheme 4, like that. And if you want to edit the actual schemes, you can just feel free to go to the settings, colors, and you can just add more schemes to this section. Sorry. And this is basically the basics of basically adjusting the header within your Shopify store. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.